Restylane Vital Light Skin Booster is suitable for the delicate skin on the neck. It improves elasticity, hydration and skin quality. Micro-injections deliver hyaluronic acid to moisturise your skin from within. This gives you long-lasting hydration and plumper, firmer skin. It stimulates collagen, which softens fine lines and gives you long-lasting results. A course of 3 treatments are recommended, spaced out 4 weeks apart. A maintenance treatment may be required 6 months afterwards. Numbing cream is applied in advance to keep you very comfortable throughout. How would you rate pain out of 10? 10 is really painful and 1 isn't painful. 1. This hydrolifting treatment uses a natural ingredient known as hyaluronic acid, which is found naturally in our own skin and is able to attract and hold 1,000 times its own weight and motor for super hydration. Tenderness or bruising may occur, but your neck has thinner skin than your face and needs to be preserved.